Welcome to Day 7. We have reached the end of Phase 1. In Day 6, you built a magnificent machine. You set up your 6 accounts, you automated your transfers. But here is the hard truth about machines. They rust. Here is the hard truth about gardens. Weeds grow. And here is the hard truth about money. Entropy is real. If you set up the system and walk away for a year, something will break. Maybe a subscription price goes up. Maybe a transfer fails. Maybe you start overspending in your fund bucket without noticing. Most people deal with this by using the ostrich strategy. They bury their head in the sand. They are afraid to look at their bank app because they are scared of what they might see. They pray that everything is okay. But hope is not a strategy. Today, we fix that. We are not going to spend hours agonizing over spreadsheets. We are going to install a 15-minute weekly ritual. This is the habit that turns you from a victim into a CEO. I want you to change your relationship with checking your money. Right now, you associate it with stress. I want you to associate it with control and peace. So step 1 is set the scene. Pick a specific time. I recommend Sunday morning at 9 a.m. before the chaos of the week starts, or Friday afternoon before the weekend party. Put it on your calendar as a recurring event, the CEO meeting. When the time comes, don't just open your laptop, make a nice cup of coffee, put on some lo-fi chill music, sit in your favorite chair. This is not a chore, this is your me time. This is you checking your empire. You are the CEO of You Inc., and this is your weekly board meeting. And guess what? It only takes 15 minutes. What exactly do you do in these 15 minutes? We use the CEO method. C for check, E for examine, O for organize. Step 1. C. Check. 2 minutes. Log in to your banking dashboard. Look at your hub account. Is the balance positive? Look at your bill layer. Did the rent get paid? Did the electric bill clear? Look at your wealth generator. Did the automatic investment go through? You are just verifying that the machine from Day 6 is working. No pipes are leaking. Step 2. Examine. 5 minutes. Look at your fund bucket in your credit card transactions from the last 7 days. Scan them quickly. Did you spend $500 on dinner when you only budgeted $200? Is there a weird subscription charge you don't recognize? This is how you catch fraud early. You are not judging yourself. You are just observing. Oh, I spent a lot on Uber this week. Okay, I'll walk more next week. Awareness cures bad habits better than willpower. Step 3. Organize. 8 minutes. This is the fun part. Pay off your credit card balance in full using the money sitting in your accounts. If there is extra money left over in the hub, more than you need, sweep it into the vault or the wealth generator. Update your net worth number from Day 2. Seeing that number go up by even $50 is a huge dopamine hit. It tells your brain, we are winning. Why do we do this weekly and not monthly? Because a month is too long to be blind. If you go off track on Day 5 and you don't check until Day 30, you have dug a deep hole. If you check every 7 days, you can only go off track a little bit. It is easy to correct. It is a tiny steering adjustment, not a U-turn. But the biggest benefit is psychological. Anxiety comes from the unknown. When you don't look at your bank account, the monster in your head grows huge. When you look at it every Sunday, the monster shrinks. It becomes just a number. You realize, I can handle this. I am in control. That feeling of peace, that is worth more than money. So here is your homework for Day 7. It is very simple. Open your calendar app right now. Create a recurring event for every Sunday or Friday. Call it CEO time. Set it for 15 minutes, and that's it. Congratulations, you have survived Phase 1, the foundation. You faced the truth, you built the shield, you built the machine, you established the ritual. You are now safe. Now, we go on the attack.
In Day 8, we start Phase 2, Debt Destruction. If you have debt, we're going to declare war on it. If you don't, we're going to optimize your spending to the extreme. Enjoy your first CEO ritual. I'll see you in Phase 2.